Okay, here it is. Everybody's been waiting for. We're finally back to work on the old John Deere 410 loader backhoe. And right now, our main goal with it is to stand it back upright. As you can see, it's tipped over backward. Not real far, but just far enough. We won't be able to get the engine put into place. So, I'm not overly sure. We tried getting it stood up here another time and had no luck at it. That was before I built the paddle forks. So I'm hoping now the paddle forks will have better leverage advantage and I can get underneath the joint right up under there and get it picked up. And if I can't do that, then we'll try to figure something else out. It is sitting on the ground. We should have put blocks under it when we pulled the engine and stuff. I never even thought of it, but would have saved us a lot of time. But we'll find some way here to get it stood up. And for right now, I'm going to go ahead and move the loader out of the way. And once it's moved, I'll try my luck at getting this picked up. And I'll get a bunch of blocks ready to put underneath the back of it. As you can see, since it's sitting on the ground, I can't put a jack under it. So that'd be a lot easier if I just put a jack under it, but I can't. So anyway, we'll see what we can get figured out here. So I'm going to go ahead. Mobility loader's warming up. I'm going to go grab this loader here, get it moved out of the way, and we'll get started. Okay, that is it. We got the backhoe, stood back up. It actually went a little bit easier than what I thought it might. And this is a terribly short video. I apologize for that. But I thought I'd just get this posted just to show that we are getting back to working on the backhoe. Can't wait to get it finished up and get it working again. So that's all I'm going to do here for now. Don't forget to subscribe, not subscribed already, and leave comments down below, like what you guys have to say. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next week.